Another irrigation timer tutorial. This one is the Galcon. Take me away. If you remember that commercial, this is the Galcon 11,000LE, I guess is the model. And here we go. Basically, there's plus and minus, and there are minus and plus at the top, minus plus. And then there's the sort of curved arrow key that's return key or enter, basically. And then there is what is that to the right of there? It's an arrow, our arrow going to the right. And then there's this weird symbol. Should have probably looked up what that is, but that'll get you through some menus. Or actually, that's the manual button. See, you can hear the manual click on. It's set for 15 minutes, so it's going to run through one cycle for whatever you have it set for, and then it'll go back to the automatic after it completes that. And so it'll run, it's like a manual. It goes on 15 minutes, and then, or whatever you have it set for, and then it'll automatically turn off, so you don't have to remember, because that's the hard part, and then back to the automatic. So, or if you hit it again, it'll just turn off. Okay, and then you can see the time just clicked to 10 a.m. So we're going to go through the menus with the enter key, and you can see the timing that we have it set for 15 minutes. If we wanted to adjust that, we'd go to this right arrow key, and that would be the hour there. And then if you want to adjust the minute, you hit the arrow key again, and it'll get the minute flashing. And then you can plus plus, or you can minus minus, depending on how you want to run that. And then you can go back and forth to either one if you forgot one. But to advance to the next thing is the return key. That'll enter the amount of minutes that you did. And then here we are on the days, and you can see which one is flashing, and you can add the day with the plus key, or you can take a day off with the minus key, or you can go through and let's see, we'll take Saturday off, and then, oops. All right, so there's I hit the this arrow key instead of the enter key. So now it's off. It's just the whole system will be off when it's flashing off like that. And then it went back to here. So we're gonna go to the Tuesday, and we're gonna minus to take that off of there, minus key, and then advance to the next menu, which is the start time. So it's 7 a.m. That seems fine. You can minus minus or plus plus depending on how you want to time that. And then we'll go to the next menu with the airplane in the background. Oh, this is the 7 a.m. and then the minutes. And then off is the next one. And then you can see we're advancing through the programs. Let's do that again down at the bottom here. The different, you can set different start times. Those ones there, and you can do that by plus plus minus minus. And then the enter key, just like all the other things that we've done. And really, you just kind of screw around with it and push buttons until it does what you want. But that's basically the menus and functions of the Galcon. Take me away, 11,000 LE. Thank you for joining me. Check out other videos for other timer tutorials, and check out this garden of mine that I take care of in Brooklyn, New York. Enjoy.